What is they saying Trinidad and Tobago? We out here in the bush again, looking for, well, going to our next camping site. I'm here with Benji Boss. Yes, we are out again. Whoosh. This, all these bars that I have here, heavy, but yes. So we finally reached the camping destination. Whew, I had to take off my jacket bag. Whoosh. Hey, bye. Right. Oh, Lord. Yeah, forget you guys. Whew, this water, lovely. See? Nice, clean water. Huh? Yeah.
That's what we talking about.
Yeah.
That's what we talking about.
This is what has happened. Your pan too small for the cook. But we still attempted. Look at wasting our food, right? Always get a big enough pan or cook less. Yes, it's gonna feed the both away, but hey, this is just trying not to burn this food a little large. Made some cook up and all that, but it's food. Food is food. One thing you can't say I can't survive in the bush. I know how to cook. Like, see? Eat any food and doing whatever you're doing. Yes. Nice food. Yes. After we eat, now heading into the bush. And we will see what lies within the forest of Trinidad and Tobago. Oh, Benji Boss just spot a horse whip. I didn't even see that. It's biting. Yes, Benji Boss spot this horse whip up in the tree, up there. This camera ain't picking up the yellowness. But yeah, real yellow, like yellow. Baby matchet. You see some anteater trails here, like feeding, and then look at these scratches on this tree. Anteater scratches all on this tree, and it's on a couple of trees around here now. I don't know what this is. I'll try and find out the name, and if I don't, if anybody know what this is, comment what it is, because apparently there's a lot of animals that are eating it out here. Look at him go. It's about drive, it's about power. Oh, that is a gorgeous malt. Oh, Benji Boss just see this. I didn't even see this. This is awesome. This is cool. Oh, you see that?
He was swimming around. I come down here trying to run, looking for multicolor trees in the trees. And he was just there.
Cool. This is awesome. You pick him up there? I think I see him. Look how cool. These are awesome. There's goobins, gibias, sight necks, stink necks, whatever they call them. These are awesome. I've seen these so many times. But yeah, I think this is Benji Boss' first time.
Yes.
First time he's seeing these. But look how big. We can get a little bit bigger than this. This is awesome. Look how cute and small.
It is
and this
so
bite
cute.
back. That's what I know. Oh, that thing looking. Oh my, how to get some pictures on this, yeah? Yeah, just putting it back. Look at that. Gone. The water is so cold and so rough. You get it? This is one of the prawns found. That's one of the prawns found in this water here. You see in different colors. I'm not sure if it's different species. Look, I just come across the Benji boss. Benji boss, look. Some
Yes.
I think yes. Look at it. Just lined out. He was just crawling on the trail. See something reddish in the corner there. This is awesome. This is cool.
Awesome and cool is true. Goodness.
A baby juvenile, I believe, Ratinel or Mapapi Valor. Yes. Yes. Look how cool that is. You catch a lot of these. Look at the colors. Nice red coloration. Just caught this water cow goby. They are very cool fish. One of the few fishes you could actually train. A nice color and thing. You're just looking at the fishes in the river here. See, and all the life and thing. You need to see them is to get them in the net. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Hello there. You are nice. Nice to meet you. How are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful night. Good to hear that. Toodaloo. Take care. Take care. I have to use my light. But we have come to a consensus, Benji Boss and I. We have reached in the pitch darkness of the forest. And it is time for us to head back to base camp. As you can hear the applause in the background. Oh, it's real dark way. Yes, it's dark. And it is awesome. We had a fun night. We saw plenty of creatures. We saw a lot of things. And it was good. Yeah. So, we're about to head back to camp now. Hi. Oh.
Wow, it is cold. Nuts.
That is the sound of me getting frozen.
Why is it deeper than when we just came?
I don't know. It is so deep. Oh. This is the kind of prawn we've been seeing. Wait, hey. But yeah, they're massive. Look at the size of this prawn. Not really crayfish. Prawns is giant shrimps, which is what these are. Crayfish is more like lobsters. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, we reach back at camp. Oh yeah, we reach back at our lovely abode. Is the fire still on? Is the fire lighting, please tell me? Yes, the fire is lighting. Yay! Yes, we are back at the camp, draining out water out of our boots. It is so dark. Our lights dim. I'm using a lamp there. Yeah, so it's just a lot of water. And tonight was great. We saw some awesome creatures. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yep.
Good, that's good. Yes, we saw some awesome creatures. We came across, well, we almost get lost in the bush. We didn't know where we was going. But we came across a lot of things. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It was amazing. So, if you like the video, wait, what is this? A kind of mark on my forehead. From the flashlight.
I can see it.
Yes. I'll leave a kind of mark. But yeah, if you enjoyed the vlog, subscribe, please. I need it. Anyhow, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and follow for more. Because trust me, things are going to get real exciting. Going on a lot of trips, and I will show you what lies in the forest of Trinidad and Tobago. Not just the scenery, but the animals, the creepy crawlies, and all the wonderful plants that you can come across in the bush. So, until then, this is the Wildlife Master, and peace out.